Good Thursday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Vazurek visiting once again with Ag meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather and Atwood, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. Chris, some portions of the plains received shower and thunderstorm activity last night.
Yeah, Joe, we saw showers and thunderstorms come out of western Nebraska and northeast Colorado late yesterday afternoon and evening, and we got it just clipped northwest Kansas. We had rainfall reports that were in Cheyenne County, Rawlins County. I got some trace amounts to a quarter inch up there in Decatur County, and then all along Sherman County, Wallace County, Tribune, and down there along the border. Those amounts range from anywhere from about 30 points here in Atwood. We had 65 in Ludell. You got to the north and west in town, and just to the east and southeast, we saw some 1 to 1 1/4 inch amounts in those parts of the county. Same was Cheyenne County, where you had 1 inch or higher amounts to the north and northwest parts of the county. And as you got in the St. Francis area, you had around 50 points, 30 points, and then back, same thing for Sherman County. So it ranged anywhere from about 30 points or a quarter inch all the way up to 1 inch to 1.25 inches in all those counties along the border. And that includes Rawlins County as well. And then you got to Thomas County and Decatur County, and it was a quarter inch or less across those counties. So that was what we had the other night. We expect a similar situation where that high pressure is now over the Great Basin. We got northwest flow over the area. And tonight and tomorrow night, we're going to see these shower and thunderstorms during the late afternoon and evening periods coming out of Colorado. There could be some severe weather or 1 inch hail, although 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts, but for the most part, it'll probably be just below severe levels and potentially this heavier type rain. If we're going to see the severe weather, it's probably more likely tomorrow night as that system is a little stronger and more organized. A line of storms will come through. Tonight's activity looks to be more hit and miss and scattered. As far as those temperatures go, we're starting out here this morning in the pretty cool. We got upper 50s out there along the border, all in Burlington. Ray and Goodland are all reporting 58, 59 degrees. You get to Colby, we're at 61. And then here in Atwood, Oberlin, McCook, we're at 62. We're calling for highs this afternoon to be in the upper 80s. Tomorrow we'll be in the lower 90s. Those winds will generally be from a southeasterly or a south direction at 10 to 20 miles per hour, and our overnight lows will be in the lower to mid 60s. Then when we get to the weekend and early next week, we got kind of a pattern change. We're going to see a trough develop over Iowa. That's going to cut off and go down the Missouri River through Monday. That'll wrap around showers and some cooler air into the area. Looks like Saturday night, during the day, Sunday, into Monday, midday, early afternoon, where we could have a prolonged period of cloudy skies, scattered showers, and maybe some rumbles of thunder. Our temperatures will be in those low 80s. Our overnight lows will be in those upper 50s to around 60. And then as we get to Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week, high pressure will build back in from the west, and we'll see temperatures climb into the 80s there on Tuesday, probably upper 80s, going into the 90s on Wednesday, and then we could be talking triple-digit heat by the end of the week and going into that last weekend of the month of July.
Once again, that's Ag meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather in Atwood, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. For KYVZ Radio, I'm Joe Vazurek.